Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's an absolute pleasure to be here. The energy in this place is ridiculous. I've one massive question. Take this absolute immaculate roster of fighters and champions to take that off Dana White and put the BKFC on the White House lawn.
250 years ago they did bare knuckle fighting. 250 years later they should do bare knuckle fighting on the front lawn.
Conor, we have an absolutely sensational scene here today.
How did the beef start between you and Borga?
Champion of motherfucking ratchet. Fuck you and your team, bitch.